Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking Fenty. I'm going to do two separate videos of, I bought three products, but I'm only going to do a review on two of the products. This one is the Fenty Hair, the richer one, Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner for medium to thick hair. It retails for $29 and you get 11.5 ounces. It is good for damage, it's vegan for all hair types. It's a floral scent. Is it a floral scent? Yeah, I guess it is, with some coconut. Some definitely coconut in there. It's good for dryness and it's clean. It's for hair texture straight, wavy, curly, and coily. It's an ultra hydrating conditioner made with wild mango butter that makes hair softer, reduces breakage, and targets split ends. And it thoroughly moisturizes and nourishes dry hair, softens, reduces frizz, and improves shine, quickly detangles. Um, And yes, it does have coconut in it. Coconut, freesia, amber, lily of the valley, lemon plus sparkling yuzu. It's a very coconut is in there. It smells fine. The smell isn't bad. It's good, but it's not my type of smell. You guys know I love more perfumey smells, and this type of smell that will stay on your hair. Okay, let's talk about the way it looks. I like the packaging. It's fine. I do wish they had the directions on the back in like written form. What they have are pictures. So it doesn't say how long to keep it um, on here. You have to go and look it up and it'll tell you the directions. I love the fact that, so this unscrews all the way, but I love the fact that you can do this in the shower. That's fantastic. That's a lot easier than having to unscrew it. I prefer just having to squeeze it on instead of put my hand in it, but that's fine too. But this is great. It's a lot easier than having to constantly unscrew. And this is how it looks. It's a nice thick, it's thick, and yeah, it's smooth. Now, what do I think? How did it work on my hair? I tried it for my hair 10 minutes and I did an overnight because, well, you know, I do that. Um, did it leave my hair soft? So when you rinse this out rather, no, it doesn't leave your hair soft. It leaves something on your hair. So did my hair feel hydrated? It felt like something was left on my hair. Like not greasiness, but yes, a oil type was left on my hair. And for me, I don't like that. I don't like my hair feeling weighed down or greasiness feeling. It wasn't greasy. It just wasn't soft. It didn't leave my hair soft, but it did feel like something was left on my hair. Was it moisturized? It wasn't dry. Could I detangle with this? Again, I don't have issues detangling my hair. The film it leaves on my hair, I don't like. It feels weighted down, and I'm more I'm more like deep conditioners that my hair feels moisturized but feels soft afterwards and a bit lighter. This didn't make my hair feel soft. And that's a big problem I'm finding with deep conditioners or masks is that my hair doesn't feel soft afterwards. It doesn't feel fluffy and like, oh, this really got in my hair, but I have low porosity hair, so maybe I need to use this with heat. Maybe all the deep conditioners and masks I need to start using with heat. But that's the thing. With my regular conditioner, my hair is soft afterwards. So I don't know. But this was fine. Will I buy this again? Probably not. But that's just me not liking my hair feeling weighed down. That helps you guys if you guys were looking to try it out or maybe something for you. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna stop blabbing on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you. I will see you. What did I say? Wow. I will see you next time. Wait. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Yeah, this wasn't bad. It's fine, but I don't like stuff. The feeling of oil or stuff being left on my hair, and it weighs it down, and it didn't make my hair soft. So that was kind of messed up. So yeah, so I wouldn't be repurchasing this, but I'm not saying you shouldn't try it. It didn't leave my hair unmoisturized or bad. So yeah.